This video is dedicated to a Noob Rider 88. Hello, cow! Moo! Moo! I guess she moved out of the way. Yo, what's up? Dark Visor here. In this video I will talk about a Noob Rider. What is a Noob Rider? I'll explain. So let's go. La 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 la. Okay, so a Noob Rider. Who is a Noob Rider? Well, one of my Dark Visor motor crew members called a Noob Rider 88. He is a Noob Rider. He's just starting to learn to ride. Okay, so who is Noob Rider? Well, a Noob Rider or Noob Rider is a guy from the middle part of Sweden, and he's just starting to learn to ride motorcycles. He's about to take his motorcycle license. I don't know why he calls himself a Noob Rider. He's actually pretty decent at riding motorcycles, so shouldn't be any problems. Okay, so this is a new road. I have never ridden here, so let's see where we end up. It is very hot as well. Very hot indeed. It's like 25 Celsius. Okay, so Noob Rider 88, Dark Visor motor crew member. Very nice guy, very cool guy, excellent rider. He has had some bad luck with his riding because recently he crashed his motorcycle. He crashed. Sean Connery. He crashed his motorcycle when he was out riding with his instructor. Yeah, one of those private instructor guys. Where am I going now? Apparently his instructor did overtake a car or something, and then the road got bad and he had to slam on his brakes to stop quickly, and then Mr. Noob Rider 88 went braking as well, and then Mr. Noob Rider basically went straight into him and then flew in the air and whatever. His bike got totaled as a result, and I think Noob Rider was okay. Sorry, I'm gonna turn here. So the bike got totaled. Noob Rider, I think you got some scratches and whatnot, but I don't think he broke any bones or something like that, which is lucky. So he has had some bad luck, and he was planning to take his license this summer, I guess, but now that he got injured and lost his bike and he's about to get a new one, so let's see if he can take it this summer or not. This was a very nice road. I like these types of roads. Let's turn here. There we go. So Noob Rider 88, he's a good rider. I mean, he can ride decently, but he's doing all his riding with his instructor, which is an old man, and basically all that they are doing is riding on ordinary country roads, going straight forward. I mean, that's not how you learn to ride a motorcycle, because just going straight forward on an asphalt road that won't improve your riding at all. I mean, just to go straight, that's like the easiest thing to do. A monkey can do it. Monkey. It's a bit windy. Damn, it's windy. Fucking fuck. Well, this was a nice place. Should I go for a swim? No. No, you may not. You may not go for a swim. I mean, the bike can do it by itself. Just look. So, and if he keeps continuing to do that with his instructor, he will never get his license, because he will never learn. No. But he will get his license soon enough, but it will probably take him a while if he doesn't do any hard training. So when I'm watching his videos, all I want to do is basically take my motorcycle and go to him and like spend a full day with him, teaching him how to ride a motorcycle and what he should think about, and just do some really good practicing on the hard stuff, the stuff that you will need to know in order to become a good rider, an excellent rider. Should I do that? Should I go to him? Should I spend like a full day just going to him and then teach him to ride? What do you think? Maybe you drop a comment in the section and let me know. What? Yes. Do that. It's not Corona. Noob Rider 88. I will link to his channel in the description, like I always do. Well, he's a crew member, so you can find him on my channel under channels, or other channels, or what the fuck is the section called? What the fuck? Because he's a noob rider. Yes, he's a noob rider. Okay, should I go that way or that way or that way or that way? Hello, cows. Hello. Where should I go? Where should I go? Nordhalt. Let's go to Nordhalt. Past these cows. Kettling hay, saving the day. Hello. Hello, ladies. Noob Rider 88. His videos are in Swedish, because he's another Swedish motovlogger. But I think that if you turn on the captions, they will appear in English. I think he manually translates them. What a decent guy! What a decent little fella! Okay, I love to ride on these types of roads. I absolutely love it. Going straight forward on asphalt roads, boring. These roads, oh, perfect. Just look at it. Swedish nature, lots of trees, lots of animals. There's no people around. It's very nice. Very nice. You can literally spend hours just riding on these types of roads without seeing anyone, or at least very few people. Few people. Noob Rider 88, the noobiest of them all. Where should I go? Where should I go? Where should I go? Should I go that way or that way? I will go eeny, meeny, miny, mo. That way. I should probably change my batteries before they go extinct. Gotta find some shade first. Where are the shade? Where is the shade? Oh, it's a lake here. It's a lake, a little lake. It's a little lake. I need a shade. I gotta scratch my nose. Ah, so nice. Here's an excellent place to change the batteries. So, Noob Rider 88. I want to go to him and help him get his motorcycle license. Should I go to him and help him practice his motorcycle license skills? His motorcycle skills. End of the fucking line. Yes, okay, there's a dog there. Oh, sorry, doggy, I'm gonna turn around here. Nej, woman.
A few moments later.
From where I live, he lives kinda far away, so it will take me like 6 hours or so just to ride to him. But I'm actually considering if I should do it, because he's a crew member. And I want to help my crew members because they are the best in the world. Yes. Fuck me, it's fucking warm today. Okay, left or right? I'm gonna go right. Okay, so I think I will wrap up my video about the Noob Rider. So why don't you support him by go to his channel and subscribe or watch his videos or whatever. Just say hello. Say hello, Dark Visor brought me here. I am now your friend. So I love you. Yeah, but yeah, check him out. Maybe he will entertain you. And I don't know, by the time you're watching this video, maybe he already has his license. I don't know. I do not know. Time will tell. Time will answer. It feels kind of weird to talk to yourself while you're riding. Kind of feel like you're schizophrenic or something. Now where the hell am I? If my bike were to break down here, and then I will have to call like the tow service. Not the tow service, but the tow service. And they will ask me, okay, so where are you? And I would be like, there's a kind of trees here and some roads. Come pick me up. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you were watching, so let me know that you were here. Just do a smiley, or just say, hey, Dark Visor, you're the best, and I'll say, oh no, you're the best. So namaste, assalamu alaikum, dziękuję, obrigado por assistir, and goodbye.